Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll show you in detail how to make chocolate spread at home. It's perfect for spreading on bread, cookies, or pancakes. It's very easy to prepare and uses readily available ingredients. In a saucepan, combine 40 grams of flour, 30 grams of cocoa, and 80 grams of sugar. Whisk thoroughly to avoid any lumps. Then gradually pour in 250 grams of cold milk, whisking constantly. Once all the milk has been added, whisk again until smooth. Add 80 grams of butter. It's best if it's at room temperature. Mix thoroughly until completely smooth. Then place the saucepan over medium heat and, stirring constantly, bring the mixture to a boil. At first, the mixture will become thinner, but as it heats, the flour will begin to thicken and form a paste. The mixture will settle to the bottom, so be sure to stir. To prevent it from burning, once the mixture has thickened and the first signs of boiling appear, reduce the heat to low and simmer, stirring constantly for another minute until the flour is thoroughly cooked and no longer noticeable in the finished chocolate spread. Remove from heat. By the way, from what country are you watching me? After simmering, the mixture will become thicker and denser, resembling custard. It won't drip and will cling tightly to the whisk. With these proportions, you'll get a small amount of chocolate spread, about 300 grams. Therefore, if you have a large family, I recommend making a double batch. The end result is a thick and glossy mixture like this. The classic recipe calls for nuts to be added to the chocolate spread. Today, I don't add nuts because I don't like them too much in this case, but you can add them if you want. Just grind them in a blender until finely ground. Pour them into the chocolate spread and mix well. Pour the chocolate spread into a jar, cover it with cling film, and refrigerate it to set for at least 2 hours, or better yet, overnight. I left my chocolate spread in the refrigerator overnight. During this time, it became firmer, like real Nutella, but still pliable and easy to spread on bread or cookies. This recipe produces a chocolate spread that's moderately sweet, with a rich chocolate flavor and a pleasant nutty note. It can be used in sandwiches, pancakes, or croissants. And it also works great as a filling for a chocolate cake. This is a very simple recipe for homemade chocolate spread. Be sure to try it, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments. I post a new video on my channel almost every day, and I hope to find my audience. Be sure to visit my channel and subscribe. I wish you bon appetit and happy cooking.